Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my dishwasher using the bleach method. So I hope this gives you some motivation to get up, get some things cleaned, get your day started, and please hit subscribe. Thanks. Okay, I want to show you how I clean my dishwasher. Today I'm using bleach like I said before, and you need to open your dishwasher, and then on the very bottom all those pieces and drains, they come apart. So we're going to take that apart and we're going to give it a really nice deep clean for the inside, and then we're going to run the dishwasher with bleach. I'm going to wipe down the inside of my dishwasher with my microfiber cloth. I'm using bleach today, but if you are using an all-natural method, such as the baking soda vinegar combo, you can probably sprinkle a little bit of baking soda in there as well to give it a good scrub on the interior. I also need to get my sheets washed and some laundry folded and put away. The kids have come down with a little bit of a sniffle, so I want to get everything clean just in case it's a virus. We were tested for COVID, so it's definitely not that, and it's not the flu. Thank goodness.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet.
Sorry, I had a little camera mishap. I thought I was recording when I was making the other bed. But yeah, the sheets are clean. We're making the beds back up, and this is my salvaged footage.
Tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, I keep wishing we'll end up together.
I'm really a big fan of essential oils. I do have some soy candles as well, but I use this eucalyptus to make everything smell really fresh and clean. No matter what I use to clean my house, I think it just gives it a really great clean smell. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Remember to leave comments and subscribe.